Welcome traders, Toby from Pro Edge Trading looking at the EdgeRunner FOMC day. Hope everybody stayed safe. Let's see how we did. We're on the 2-minute Pro Edge bars, NQ, going for 10 points. It's the EdgeRunner, gives you the signals, targets, everything printed for you. Let's see how we did here. We got our first signal at 8:32. We're not going to take that one. Yeah, it wins, but you get this whipsaw early in the right at the bell. We won't count it. Go to the next one, 8:56. There's your winner, 10 points. Another one, 10 points. Another one, 10 points. These all went a lot farther today too. You had some runners going. That's a 3 for 3, $600. Good day, one contract. Let's see how the rest of the day went. I'm not saying trade through lunch and FOMC. We're just taking a look. It looks like it did pretty good though, if you had. But that's all right. But there you go. EdgeRunner, Pro Edge Trading. I've been wanting to show you guys something. I've made another chart so you can see it better. I want to show you another one of my favorite type of trades. It's the EdgeBand bounces, hanging curtains, loops, pullbacks. You can call them what you prefer, but the EdgeRunner makes it a lot cleaner, and there's a trick to it. I'm going to show you. So the red bars, the big bars, are the Pro Edge bars, just like you're used to seeing. I've added a data series of standard minute bars. That's the white ones, just so you can see where the actual entries and closes would be. And that'll come into play here in a minute. But what I like to do is watch these, get some gap here off the band, come back in. So you got this loop here, and you want to wait. Don't take this first one. You want to wait for a close lower than the lowest low of that previous move. So right here, here's your lowest low of this move. Here's your close below it. And then what you want to do is put a limit order inside here based off the width of these Pro Edge bars. So in this case, we're 98, 40 points, 40, 50 points here. And you want to split that in half. So we're 40, 50 points, we'll call it 20. And then give yourself some room. So 5-point increments, 15 points in this case. You could call it 20, 15, 20. These are big candles. Half of that, and then give yourself a little cushion. So you'd go based off of this close, go up your 10, 20 points. We'll say 20 because these are pretty big bars. The 33, so right here in this area. So right here in this area. And just wait till price hits it, unless you get a close lower than your entry candles close. This one's close. It's pretty much equal, so we're still good. Long as the price doesn't close below your entry candles close, you keep your order on there. And then there's your entry, and we're going back to that close, back to the entry candles close, which in this case is 20 points. And there you go. There's your trade right there, winner. And then you can do it again. Here you go. Now this is our low. Here's your close below that. And this is what I wanted to show you. These candles are getting a little smaller, so we'll go 15 points. But you can stick with 20, so it'd be 86. 86, just barely hits it, but it does hits it, gets you in. There's another 20 points right there. But what I wanted to show you is this comes up again, but you don't get a close. Now you're going the other way. Here's another one. That comes down. Oh, we don't get a close below. I wanted to show you one where it closes above or outside and invalidates the trade. Here you go. Here you go. Okay. Not the most beautiful loop, but it's a loop. So here you go. Here's your high. Here's your close. Greater than there. And your entry is, let's see, you've got 95. You know, these are roughly 40-point candles. You know, at least 40. So if you call it 20, here's your entry, or here's your reference. Your entry is going to be 32. And, you know, in this case, here's your limit order, 20 points off of our reference candle, our reference close right there. And you notice this one closes higher than this one. So that invalidates the trade, take your order off, wait for the next one. Because a lot of times they'll just keep going to finally get you in after the move, you know, after the move's over. So here you go. If you got in down here, if you kept your order on there, you finally get in here, and you know that may not win. So if they just keep closing above your reference candle, your entry candle, just and don't get you in, just get out. Once it's closed above there, just take the order off. A lot of times this is what happens. Get you in, and then just keeps going. So that's the EdgeRunner trades. If you want me to do some more videos on that, let me know in the comments. But that's pretty much it for today. I want to show you those trades, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.